Testosterone. It's a word synonymous with masculinity, strength, and vigor. But what exactly is it? In simple terms, testosterone is a hormone, a chemical messenger produced primarily in the testes in men. Think of hormones as messengers that travel through the bloodstream, carrying instructions to different parts of the body. Testosterone, often called the male hormone, plays a crucial role in male sexual development and overall health, from the development of male sexual characteristics during puberty to maintaining muscle mass, bone density, and red blood cell production throughout life. Testosterone is involved in a multitude of functions. It even influences mood, energy levels, and cognitive function. Understanding the role of testosterone is paramount to recognizing when its levels might be low and taking appropriate steps to address the issue. Testosterone is not just about virility, it's a cornerstone of a man's overall well-being. Imagine a conductor leading an orchestra. Testosterone orchestrates various bodily functions to ensure everything runs smoothly. During puberty, testosterone is the driving force behind the development of male characteristics. A young man's voice deepens, facial hair emerges, and muscle mass increases, all under the influence of testosterone. Beyond puberty, this hormone continues its essential work. It helps maintain muscle mass and strength, keeps bones strong and healthy, and supports the production of red blood cells, vital for carrying oxygen throughout the body. But testosterone's influence extends beyond the physical. It plays a crucial role in mood regulation, cognitive function, and maintaining energy levels. In essence, testosterone contributes to a man's overall vitality and zest for life. As men age, it's natural for testosterone levels to gradually decline. However, sometimes this decline can be more significant, leading to a condition known as low testosterone or hypogonadism. Recognizing the symptoms is the first step towards addressing the issue. One of the most noticeable signs of low testosterone is a decrease in sexual desire and function. Men may experience erectile dysfunction, reduced libido, and difficulty achieving orgasm. These changes can be distressing and impact relationships. Beyond the bedroom, low testosterone can manifest in various ways. Fatigue, decreased energy levels, and increased body fat, particularly around the abdomen, are common symptoms. Muscle mass and strength may also decline, making it harder to maintain an active lifestyle. Mood changes are often associated with low testosterone. Men may feel more irritable, experience mood swings, or have difficulty concentrating. Depression and a general lack of motivation can also be indicative of low testosterone levels. Why do testosterone levels decline? The decline in testosterone levels as men age is a natural process. However, several factors can contribute to a more significant drop, leading to low testosterone or hypogonadism. Sometimes the cause lies within the testes themselves, which may not produce enough testosterone. This is known as primary hypogonadism and can result from conditions like Klinefelter syndrome or injury to the testes. In other cases, the problem originates in the hypothalamus and pituitary gland located in the brain play a crucial role in regulating testosterone production. Conditions affecting these areas, such as tumors or head trauma, can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to secondary hypogonadism. Certain medications, such as opioid painkillers and some antidepressants, can also interfere with testosterone production. Chronic illnesses like diabetes, obesity, and obstructive sleep apnea have also been linked to lower testosterone levels. Lifestyle factors play a role as well. Chronic stress, excessive alcohol consumption, and illicit drug use can all contribute to hormonal imbalances, including low testosterone. Suspecting low testosterone is one thing, but confirming it requires a proper medical diagnosis. If you experience any of the symptoms discussed earlier, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional specializing in men's health. The diagnostic process typically begins with a thorough medical history and physical examination. Your doctor will inquire about your symptoms, lifestyle, and any pre-existing medical conditions. A blood test is the gold standard for diagnosing low testosterone. This simple test measures the levels of testosterone in your bloodstream. It's best to have the blood drawn early in the morning when testosterone levels are typically at their peak. Depending on your individual circumstances, your doctor may recommend additional tests to rule out other potential causes of your symptoms or to investigate underlying medical conditions. Remember, self-diagnosing and self-treating are never recommended. Only a qualified healthcare professional can accurately diagnose low testosterone and recommend the most appropriate course of action. The importance of early detection. Low testosterone is often a treatable condition, but early detection is key. Ignoring the symptoms or delaying seeking medical advice can have significant consequences for a man's overall health and well-being. Untreated low testosterone can lead to a decline in bone density, increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Muscle mass and strength can continue to deteriorate, making it challenging to maintain an active lifestyle and increasing the risk of falls. The impact on sexual health can be profound, potentially leading to erectile dysfunction, reduced libido, and infertility. These changes can strain relationships and take an emotional toll. Beyond the physical, untreated low testosterone can contribute to mood swings, depression, difficulty concentrating, and a general lack of motivation, impacting various aspects of a man's life. The good news is that with proper diagnosis and treatment, many men can experience significant improvements in their symptoms and overall quality of life. Taking charge of your health today can lead to a brighter and more fulfilling tomorrow.
If you have watched until the end of this video and think you've learned anything new or anything of value, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon as well. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.